Okay, John. I wanted to talk to you, see what you're doing.
Virtual machines only run operating systems.
Okay.
Maybe you could just...
What operating systems? Why do you like running operating systems?
Because older OSs are just faster, because less bloatware, just stuff.
Okay.
But Windows 7 and like that are Endo support. But the happy thing is Windows XP is just refusing to die off.
Oh, that's nice. I do like XP. You like 7 though, don't you?
Yeah.
Why do you like 7 so much?
It has too much built-in games. And I like lots of games. That's probably why my phone storage is cluttered.
So, what do you have to do to use these operating systems and stuff? Because I don't know anything about it.
Okay, first download VirtualBox or any virtualization software. And it requires virtualization on. If you don't have that on, just go into your BIOS.
Okay. Where's my BIOS?
You go into boot options, then select, oh, I forgot.
That's okay.
If you see that already has virtualization on, then congrats. But anyway, let's go into this. So download VirtualBox or VMware or Hyper-V if you have, Windows 10 Pro.
Okay.
And, just get an ISO image of what kind of OS you want.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then if you have the ISO, they take so long to download because they're operating systems. Duh. You could just, delete system for D2. Or just something.
Oh, why would you do that?
Well, it's a virtual machine. It doesn't actually affect your host.
Oh.
Which is basically this thing.
Oh.
It's like your PC having a baby.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Well, that's good.
And it's called a hypervisor.
A hypervisor.
Basically a virtual machine.
I see. What kinds of things have you done with your virtual machine? How do you play with it?
I basically, sometimes I want to test programs to see if they're viruses. Don't delete system for D2, guys. It's always a prank when they tell you to delete system for D2. Plus, Windows XP just says files are hidden, but Windows 10 just prevents you from deleting it.
I see. Well, that's good.
You would have to, get access from trusted installer.
Oh.
Or just create a batch file to actually do it, or just...
What the heck is a batch file?
It's a command file, basically.
Oh.
Did you know there's a startup folder in Windows? If you don't see it in the startup folder, either it's startup in Task Manager, it could be caused by a service running it, or, it creates a shortcut in the startup folder.
Oh.
So go ahead and check that if you have something starting up and it's not a service or in the startup menu in the Task Manager. And how to get to Task Manager?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's Control-Alt-Escape in Windows 10.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that does nothing. What am I even doing right there? Anyway.
Sure it's not Control-Alt-Delete?
Yeah, you can do that. Control-Alt-Delete.
Okay.
And then select Task Manager.
Holy cow.
Go into Startup.
Uh-huh.
What is happening?
I don't know.
Wait, all these are disabled.
Okay.
Except the audio, because of course you need HD audio.
Well, of course, naturally.
That's why it's enabled.
Fun. You'll have to run us through your virtual machine, you know, just a run through on the computer next video. How's that sound? All right, say bye.
Bye.